In this video, we're going to learn NPM or Node Package Manager. If you're a JavaScript developer, then you might be already using NPM. But if you have just started learning JavaScript, then you'll definitely learn something from this video. The modern JavaScript projects are built with a lot of different packages. NPM helps you download all the packages and use them. If you have installed Node already, then you might be having NPM already. Let me check NPM. Yeah, NPM is available. I have created one folder called npm test. Inside that, we're going to test our npm packages. So npm comes with a CLI called npm, and if you want to install something, if you want to install some packages, you can use npm install. I'll use one open source package called Lodass. If you write npm install Lodass, it will start installing that, and you can see in the folder it has created two files, one folder. One is package.json, another one is package.log.json, okay, and one folder node modules. If you go to the node modules, you can see one Lodass folder. So npm has downloaded all the Lodass files in your file system, and if you want to search for any packages, you can also do that in npmjs.com. You can search for packages. The package that I have just installed is Lodass. If I search it, you can find this module. It will give you all the steps, how to install it and how to use it, everything. So this npm repository, that is the public npm repository, it has more than 1.3 million packages. So before writing any code, you search in the npm. Probably somebody has already written that. Coming to the generated files in package.json and package.log.json, what it is. This is package.json. You can see in this package.json file, we have something called dependencies, and Lodass is there. Also the version number, you can see this is the 4.17. This means that you can reproduce the same step over and over again. A typical JavaScript application can have hundreds of different packages, and you will forget which packages you installed. So suppose someone else from your team member wants to use your project, then you can just give this package.json file to them. So you can push this file in a Git, and whenever someone wants to use your project, then they can just use this package.json file to install all the packages. Let's see how it works. You have seen that in the node modules folder, all the packages are there. So let me delete that. If I delete the node modules folder, the packages that I have installed is no longer there. But in the package.json file, we have the information which packages is required. Okay, so if I just use npm install, see, I'm not giving the package name here, I'm just saying npm install. If you do that, it will install Lodass again, because in the package.json we have this dependent. Now let's see, node modules folder, we have this Lodass. Alright, then what is package.log.json? Package.log is also similar to package.json, but this is more detailed. In package.log, you will have the exact version number and the exact file that is required. Okay, so in this case, you can see that for the Lodass, you have this file name and also the integrity. That means every time you want to download the package, you will get the exact same version. Alright, what else can you do with npm? One part is downloading and maintaining the dependencies. Another part is maintaining your scripts as well. So suppose you add something like this, scripts. In the package.json file, I'm adding scripts, then a script called start, right? You add some script name. It can be any bash script or anything. I'm using Windows, so it is like Windows command line script. Now if you run npm start, this command is going to execute the script, right? You might be thinking that this is not very useful, but in a real project, when you will have a complicated script to execute every time you want to start the server or something, then these scripts will be useful. You can also have test, npm test. So this is normally used for testing the application, running unit test or something. I can execute npm test. This is going to execute the script. And also you can have some custom scripts. So this start and test, these are the standard scripts, or you can have any name, right? You can have like dev 1 2 3, like this is a script name. Okay, so if you write any kind of custom script, then instead of just running npm dev 123, you have to use npm run dev 123. So see the difference here. You can use npm start for a start script, you can use npm test for a test script, but if you want to use something custom, if you want to run your custom script, not the standard script, then you have to use npm run and then the script name. Now I'll show you the package.json file of a React project. I have created another video of React setup and I'm using the same file here. You can go watch that video. But here you can see we have a lot of different dependencies. We have React, React DOM in the dependencies, and also in the scripts we have multiple scripts like start, build, test, lint, format, all those different scripts. So the advantage of using npm and these packages and scripts is that you don't have to remember which scripts to run, right? All the scripts are available here. You want to test it, okay, npm test. You want to start the server, npm start. You want to format the files, you run format. So you can organize your project like this. So this was the basic idea of npm, how to use it and what it is. If you have any specific questions, then please ask in the comments. I will try to answer, or I'll create another video explaining the topics you want to know. And if you liked it, please hit like. And if you're new to the channel, you can also subscribe. You'll learn a lot of JavaScript topics. So thanks for watching.